Hey, what's up everyone? So our topic for today is how to remote another desktop or other computer. So let's get started. First, you have to enable or allow the remote desktop. So to allow, go to this PC, right click, properties, remote settings, and this should be allow. Okay, and apply. Okay. Go to start, CMD, and command prompt. So here, you wanted to know the IP address of this computer. IP config. So here, this is your IP address, the IP address of the computer, and then we can now remote this desktop. Go to start, type in remote desktop, and it should be the same as the IP address here. It's 192.168.56.101, and let's connect. So here, this will enter your credential, and then hit OK, and we're in, right? So it's pretty much easy. And that's it. I hope it helps you a lot. Please request any video tutorial, just comment it down below and let's try doing it. And I'll see you on my next video.